Hey y'all, I just wanted to make a video right quick. We've got a new product that Stampin' Up! Has put out, and this is a 1 month. That means it's available for only 1 month, and it is an exclusive card kit. Well, kind of exclusive. You will probably need some cardstock to complete cards. So I just got it in the mail, and I wanted to see, I actually wanted to show y'all what was in it. It's called the Everything is Rosy project, and it is available till the end of May for $80. And it has stamp sets, it has dies, it has die cuts, it has embellishments. So I'm super excited to see this collection. I recently went to a convention called Onstage, and they have told us that they're going to come out with these projects occasionally. So if you like this one and you want to purchase it, you can go to my website, which is www.spectacularcreations.com, and you'll see a link to shop my store. You can it'll take you straight to my Stampin' Up! Store. Or you can go to stampinup.com, and I will try to post those links when I upload this video, so you can just click it and go straight to it. So this is the kit. You get the stamp set. It's called Everything Rosy, and it's photopolymer, which means they're clear. You will need a Stampin' block of some sort to place your stamps there. And the sentiments say, "May your birthday be filled with pretty things. Don't let worry spoil your happy." There's a thank you sentiment. "Dear friend, time to celebrate all the lovely things in your life, starting with you." And then there's a congratulations stamp set. Some little flowers, big flowers, leaves. Super excited about this. The other thing that coordinates with the stamp set are these dies. And you will need a die machine. And for those of you who do not know what a die machine is you can stamp your image. Instead of cutting it out with scissors, you use the coordinating dies and run them through a die machine. So if you stamp this stamp set, you would just place your die on your stamped image, run it through your die cut machine, and see how that you just run it through, and it will cut out this image. So you have that flower. You can cut out the leaves. This leaf set here will cut out. And they give you ones for the little flowers, the little leaves, that leaf, and I don't think this one matches up. It's just one that stands alone, so you can cut out your stamped image flower and then stamp this out on a green cardstock, and it will make a real pretty leaf pattern behind it. And here is another smaller leaf pattern. And then you've got what we call an edgelet on here. and it will make this design on the edge of your cardstock. So that is the stamp set and the framelits. And what I use as a die cutting machine, I have two. I have one called the Gemini. It's electronic. You just run it through and it cuts it by itself. And then I have this Cuttlebug here, and you just lay your cardstock down, place your framelits on it, and then you just crank it through like that. These are discontinued. I think they're coming out with a new model or something different. So you can catch these on sale right now because they're discontinued. But it doesn't matter whether it's discontinued. You still can use it. So that's the stamp set and the framelits. It comes with 2 spools of ribbon. This is Night of Navy with rose gold trim. And you get quite a bit. So I'll hold this up so you can see it a little bit better. This is Night of Navy with rose gold trim. And then you get the other coordinating color, which is a Melon Mambo. And they call this ruche. It's kind of wrinkly. And that is in Melon Mambo. You get a spool of it. You get some rose gold shimmer paint. And you mix this with alcohol in a spray bottle or with water, and you can spray it on your cardstock and it will give it a rose gold shimmer look. There's lots of ways you can use this, and we'll try to do another video on different ways of using that. Then you get the die cuts and your paper. Set all this aside. Try not to cut my paper to get it open. We'll show you these embellishments first. These are what we call embellishments, and they are just mirrored dots. They have a little protective covering, so you just pop those out and use these as like sequins, enamel dots, so forth, for making your card a little bit more shiny and embellish it up a little bit. So you get a sheet of those. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 60 of those. The colors that coordinate with this particular medley are Night of Navy and Melon Mambo. And of course you can use white and black if you want to. The standard colors. So you get 4 sheets of this one, and that's the coordination right there. And they are double-sided. Wait, there's 8, I believe. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they are double-sided. Ooh, that's pretty. You got some pink with the rose gold full. And these are 6 by 6. And there's the other side. So there's that one. Then you have 8 more of these, this color, and see how it coordinates. And if you don't have Stampin' Up's paper, you know, you can just use what's similar. See, there's some white in here. You can put it on white. Another different blue, a dark blue. You could even use a light blue. And this pink background, you could use it. So there's that side. And then the opposite side. Woo! Pretty. Some more rose gold full accents on those. So you get 8 double-sided. This is the one side, and this is the opposite side. So there's 2 collections. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side is another foil. Here's a close-up of that side. And it kind of makes it look kind of textured because of the other side. So there's that one. So that's 3 different piece paper collections. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think this one is also foiled. And there's a close-up of that one. So that's the 4th collection. 5th collection. It looks like we're getting into our pinks. And here is the full on the other side. Pretty. And this one has a little boo-boo. Oh, I like this one. I wonder what the boo-boo page looks like. So here's that collection. Let's get the boo-boo one out of there. And then we get into the foil sheets, which you can use your die, metal dies to get to cut some of those real pretty leaves out and put them behind your paper, your stamped rose image. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 sheets of the rose gold foil paper. And here's the die cuts. You get flowers. You get labels. Tags and labels. And what these are is you just need your cardstock. You can stamp your sentiment on your die cut like this. They just pop out, and you can layer it on your other die cut, say like that, and glue it to your cardstock and make a card. So this is the Medley kit called Everything Rosy. And here is the stamp set. Here's everything you get. And like I said, it's $80. Stampin' Up has told us they're going to come out with some more of these kits. What you'll need to make your cards would be your cardstock, which is the Mill and Mambo, the Night of Navy. You will need scissors, Stampin' block, adhesive, which could be Stampin' Up! Snail, or if you have a different brand, you're welcome to use it, and some kind of card glue. So I just wanted to pop on here and show you this video of this new collection, and hopefully I'm going to follow it up with another video and make a project. So I really appreciate y'all checking my channel and watching my video. Share it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I am going to start doing a few more videos. I have decided to work part-time on my job, so hopefully I'll be able to interact with y'all a little bit more and start teaching online card classes. I also do chalk couture. So you might not see a card video, you might see a chalk couture video. So we got lots of plans and lots of stuff to do. So like I said, I really appreciate y'all tuning in, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you will get notifications when I put up a new video. I hope y'all have a great day. Thanks. Bye.